Don't you just love the sporting lifestyle? Staying active and athletic isn't just an idea for you. It's your passion. And as you pursue health and wellness through sports, we're right there with you. CBDRenew provides all-natural wellness solutions for healthy living. We help you cleanse, nourish, and renew your body. We don't make any medical claims, but many professional athletes swear by our products. And they're lab tested to ensure purity. Our CBD tinctures are vegan friendly and come in an oil-based solution that can be easily added to food or drink. Or try our creams and balms. Apply them wherever you're experiencing dry skin or sore, stiff muscles. Our CBD Freeze Roll-On combines the proven pain relief properties of menthol with the natural power of CBD. Order yours today for convenient home delivery at CBDRenew.net.